Hi, I'm Christy Canfield. This is my Nova Scotia Duck Tolling Retriever, Casimir Kai. We call him Kai for short. And this is our first attempt at Trick Dog Performance Title Easy. Okay, so we're going to start with the basics, the sits, the downs, the stays, the recalls, and we're going to move up the ladder as we go. Okay? Kai, sit, down, stay, release, sit, wait, come front. Good job, good boy. Finish. Good job. With me. Sit. Around. Sit. Good boy. Stand. Down. Stand. Down. Stand. Down. Good boy. Front. Watch me. Back. Back. Oops. Back. Good job. Bravo! Good boy. What a good boy. Okay, now we're going to do some retrieve stuff. We're going to start by having him fetch my wallet. Kai, go get it. Good boy. Bring it here. Good boy. Bring it here. Thank you. Good job. And you didn't spill anything out of it either. Good job. All right. Okay, go target, go touch. Yes. You don't have to bring it back. Sit. Sit. Wait. Wait. Okay, you ready? Touch. Yes. Good boy. Yes. Come on, Kai. You don't have to bring it back. Good boy. Good job. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Yay! Okay, come on. Jump. Uh-oh. Come here. Got it. Jump. Yes. Tunnel. Good boy. Come on. Come on. Through. Through. Yes. Through. Yes. Through. Good boy. Through. You don't have to take it. Come on, through. Yes, that's such a good boy. Yay. Jump. Yay. Good job. Come here. Right here. Sit. Come here. Sit. Paws up. Come here. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. How about a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Nope. Right here. Sit. Watch me. Good boy. How about spin left? Right. Sit. Come here. Sit. Paw. Foot. Foot. Good foot. Around. Sit. Watch me sit. Good. Down. Crawl. Come on. Uh-oh. Sit. 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 Down. Crawl. Come on. Nope. Sit. Sit. Watch me. Would you like to have a conversation? You want to go to the room? Good boy. What a good boy you are. You ready? Go kennel up. No, right here, Kai. Kennel up. Good job. Very nice, Kai. Yay. Come on. Come on, good boy. Good boy. Come on. Kai, right here. You ready? You ready? Kai. Uh-oh. Around. Kai, come around. Hup. Good. Hup. Good. Hup. Good boy. Around. Around. Under. Around. around. Huh. Yes, good job, buddy. That's good.
Groove slam, work it back. Filter that, baby, bump that track. Groove slam, work it back. Filter that, baby, bump that track. Groove slam, work it back.